This thing is a 2018 Toyota Tundra SR5 all-wheel drive. It's got a 5.7 liter V8 and it's a tough as nails work truck. It looks like. That's what I'm seeing. It's got an excellent sound system. The color is called cement. Really masculine cabin. Boy, I just like it a lot. And it's got a covered bed, a Lear hardtop. Feels great to drive. Matter of fact, let's drive it right now. Extra storage. And on the other side, same deal. Jack and tool access. I mean, keep a firearm in there too. This thing's great. It allows me to mute the music. Track control, volume up and down right there on the wheel. I'll be real with you and say I looked at the listing on our website and I was like, that don't look like much. This is a hot truck. I would love to roll up onto a job site in something like this. Brushed metal finish on everything. All the hard lines. Serious grown-up shifter. It's a handsome truck. Real talk.